Hi there, welcome back to the March issue of InSPAration Moments. Dory Sukup here, and the special of the month this month is all about becoming a published author. We actually have the seminar this month. It's going to be on March 28th and 29th. It's in Orlando, Florida, and you need to come and join us and let me help you get your name on a book. We have already helped over 100 people become published, and I know we can help you too. So members get to come to this event for free as part of your membership. But if you are not a member and you've been wanting to put your name on the book, you can do it two ways. You can either buy it a la carte and just join us for the book seminar and we can help you get published, or you can become a member and get to come for free. So either way, it's up to you. So if you are not a member and you'd like to come, we are giving $750 off the price. So make sure you mention this newsletter, and that way you can come and actually join us for the book writing seminar. Now, a lot of people tell me, Dory, book writing seminar in a weekend, that sounds too good to be true. And you know what? It does. But if you go to the Raving Fan page and watch all the videos of all the people that came to the book seminar, you'll see that it's not that complicated. I have an entire process and system to walk you through it, and it is amazing what we can accomplish in 2 days. Now, of course, we're not going to have the book printed in 2 days, but at least all the content will be done, and then it's going to take us about 45 days after that to get it edited, to get it designed, to do the cover, the back cover, and actually get it printed. But the bulk of the work is done during that weekend that we are together. So to learn more about it, you can go to becomepublished.com, and there you can see all the things that are involved with it, and you can register and join us. So again, you get to save $750, or you can become a member and come totally free. So that's up to you. And I hope to see you then, so I can help you improve your positioning and start charging more money so you can increase your revenue and walk into those multiple 7 figures that we've been talking about. So I hope to see you then. Until then, stay inspired.